Well, of course, every case is different and every case has its own timeline. And we do our best to communicate to the client their particular timeline for their case, just so they know what to expect. But when someone hires us, the first thing that we do is we send out letters to the involved parties, notifying them that we represent the client. And then from there, we start our initial investigation. We typically start gathering medical records, medical bills, photographs. We often deploy a private investigator to the scene of wherever the incident happened to start taking additional photographs, see if there's more evidence that we should be preserving. We also notify the involved parties that there is likely a civil claim and that they should be preserving evidence on their end as well. From there, we start to analyze the information that we receive on the client's case to start understanding what is the evidence that we're going to be seeing for this client's claim. Also, during the investigative process, we stay in regular contact with our client. Something that we offer our clients is direct contact to the attorneys. So we are following up with them regularly to understand where they are in their medical treatment timeline, where they are really with their injuries, if their healing is going in the direction it should be going, which we always hope that for everyone. Because also understanding where our client is in the healing journey informs our team of when will it be the appropriate time to invite the opposing side to engage in a settlement negotiation. We want to wait until our client has reached what's called maximum medical improvement. It's a medical term. It's often referred to as MMI by medical providers. And it means that the client has either completely finished medical treatment or they're as good as they're going to get in their healing journey. And the reason why we want to wait until that moment before inviting the other side to a settlement negotiation is because it helps our team understand the full breadth of damages that our client has sustained. Until our client reaches the point where they're done with treatment or they're as far along as they can kind of get in their healing journey, we won't really know what they need into the future. Because one of the things that we do for our clients is we ask for compensation from everything that happened to them since the date of the incident, but also what their damages are going to be moving forward into the future. And sometimes we have clients who are very young, 10, 11, 12 years old, and they've sustained catastrophic injuries, and those damages can be enormous because they span 60, 70 years into the future. And then sometimes we have clients who are kind of on the other end of that, and we're looking at 10 years worth of damages, and that's a different value. But until our client kind of reaches that part of their healing journey, maximum medical improvement, it's hard for us to really understand the full breadth of damages that we need to be asking for. And that can take anywhere from 2 months after the accident, or 6 months, or sometimes even years. It just really depends on the injuries our clients sustain and how their healing journey goes.